Hello viewers, welcome back to Versatile Frame Captures. Today we are going to do a simple drink, a summer special smoothie which is made out of tender coconut. So let's get started guys. So let me go ahead and start with the simple method for which I'm going to take a few ice cubes, mint leaves and a coconut water and honey. That's it. So let me go ahead and add the mint leaves which I have chopped it in the glass. So after adding a mint leaf, I'm gonna add 2 to 3 ice cubes. It's based on the coolness how you want. So I'm gonna add coconut water, a complete glass full of coconut water now. So after adding it, you can take a honey as per your taste. So I'm just gonna use 1 teaspoon because the coconut water itself has a sweetness. So I'm gonna add just 1 teaspoon of Dabur honey and gonna mix well in such a way that the honey and the water just combines well. Isn't it look so simple? Do try out at home to beat the heat from your body. So it's now ready guys. So this is the first variant. So let me go ahead and show you the second variant of tender coconut. So I have taken a tender coconut, curd, sugar, ice cubes and coconut water. I'm gonna blend it now. So I'm gonna take a blender and add everything to that. Let me go ahead and add the tender coconut, ice cubes and sugar with coconut water. Make sure not to add the curd right now because the tender coconut has to blend well. So first I'm gonna mix them so that it gets blended, not completely, so that we can have the taste directly from the coconut as well. So now you can see it's blended. So I'm gonna add 1 cup of curd and again I'm gonna blend it nicely. So after blending it, take a glass. I'm just gonna pour it. So this is kind of a tender coconut lassi. So it usually you guys will be having various kinds of lassis, right? So this is one of the variants of lassis. So it's simple, right? So let me go ahead and show you with the third variant. But before that, look how smooth the texture is, and the top of it, the coconut still it's available. So when you're drinking it, you can have that to taste as well. So the third variant, which is a tender coconut milkshake. So for this, the ingredients are quite large. So let me show it while blending it itself. So let me go ahead and take the blender again. I'm adding a tender coconut now. So after that, I'm taking a cashews. You can even take almonds as well. So I'm gonna add 1 glass of coconut water. So after adding the coconut water, I'm gonna add few ice because each step of the way we are going to use different things. So I'm gonna use 1 spoon of Milkmaid, which will give a juicy taste while having it. So since I have already added a Milkmaid, I'm gonna use less amount of sugar. So just 2 to 2.5 spoons of sugar I'm using. So now let me go ahead and blend them. So after blending it, the creamy texture will be formed, and once it is formed, again we have to add the milk. Now you can see that it's blended nicely. So I'm gonna add 1 glass of milk again and close the lid. So let's go ahead and mix it. Now I have taken a glass and gonna add the rest of the ice cubes which I kept aside. So after adding that, let me go ahead and open up the jar. You can see how thick it is. So let me go ahead and pour it in the glass. So now you can see that I have poured that in the glass now. And on top of it, if you want, you can even add few more almonds or also dry fruits for your texture, since it's a milkshake. But I'm not going to add anything. So now you can see all 3 variants. First with the mint leaves and sugar, second one is a directly tender coconut with curd, and third one with the milk. I hope you liked it guys. Thank you for watching. If you're new to our channel, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe.